Horses and we have Invincible pass to begin, all in second, moving up, compelled to lead. Honor Rose comes next, Kudos, Miss Manila, Towanits, moving up, Billionaria, Angel Dugo, Chip of Stop, Speedy McKay, and Magisterium is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have Invincible by about 2 lengths. Kudos now moving up to take second. Olin Dras back in third. Honor Rose is down in fourth. Then followed by Compelled to Lead, Billionaria, Miss Manila, Chief of Staff, Angel Dugo, Towanids third last. Then followed by Magisterium and Speedy Maki now racing in last. That's still Invincible by Oralenka. And in second still is Kudos. Olin now trying to get closer in third. Honor Rose in fourth. Billionaria in fifth, then comes Compelled to Lead, Chief of Staff, and that's still Invincible by about 2.5 lengths. Kudos in second, moving a party out, so now is all in as they come down at the last 150, and that's still Invincible by Oralenka Rehapa. All in now in second, moving a Billionaria on a Rose, but it's still Invincible by about 3 lengths, and entering the finish line, Jackie Jeffrey Tagulaw Sarate on Invincible, second Billionaria, all in, then comes on a Rose, Chief of Staff, Compelled to Lead, Angel Dugo.
Pumasok yung 6A sa pang-anim eh. Sino kaya yung sumunod doon?